Here we are, getting ready to do another bike ride, and it is a lovely snowstorm out. We got a couple guys with us. All right, another winter wonderland. We decided to ride in a full blizzard. Carter's back there somewhere. Chain brakes, they're the best. Alright, it's gonna be a short video, short ride. There he is. There's Carter. This is either amazing dad moment or bad dad moment. I'm not really sure right now. We'll figure it out. There's bro Kyle. Left. Easy, left. Easy turns. Easy pedals.
So, like,
no one's in a hurry.
You know how you lean your bike up, or we're not going to do it?
No. No. You stand upright and turn. Slowly. Alright. Good times. Let's go play in the snow. Alright, I'll catch you back in a minute. Woo! What do you think, Kyle?
What?
What do you think?
Good.
You're good?
Yep.
How are we doing back here?
We're good. First got it.
Is that a good noise?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice and easy. Yeah, it's a full-on blizzard. Right on. Okay. I think it might have been a bad dad move. But I think we're good now. Everyone's having fun. Carter's killing it. Kyle's up there. We're doing good. Alright. Carter, you having fun?
A little.
A little? Alright. We'll check back after some pizza and some Uno. Alright. This is a blast. I love riding in snowstorms. We're on a city bus route. A plow route. This is what it currently looks like. We're having a good time.
You promised me a hot chocolate when you get home.
I promise you a hot chocolate sometime tonight.
Yep.
Yes. I 100% will give you a hot chocolate. It might be when we get home to our house, but sometime today you will have a hot chocolate.
And you promised.
You've earned it.
And how old am I, Dad?
This is wild. Good times.
Dad,
What?
I love you.
I love you too, buddy. You gonna put this up on your channel?
Maybe.
You should.
Okay.
It's an adventure.
It's really hard.
You know any other kids your age out riding bikes in a blizzard?
Oh, let people see that. Oh, I done this. But that's a lie.
Yeah. You're out here doing it, dude. I'm proud of you, buddy. Alright. Hey, that's where Nick lives.
Hey.
Hey!
Are you crazy?
We are!
Riding on a blizzard.
That was Nick's wife.
Yeah.
We are out here now having fun. This is a plow road. And this is what we got. Full blizzard. Let's go. Having fun. Alright. We doing it. Good times. Playing in the snow. Carter's getting it. Kyle!
What?
You getting it?
Yep.
Have fun?
Yeah.
What are the conditions?
What?
What are the conditions?
Crappy.
Yeah, they are.
Ah.
Just, hey, keep your bar straight. Keep your bar straight.
Basket.
Bar straight, bar straight. Oh, down he goes. Down he goes. So, we named our crew that consists of Kyle, Carter, Steve, and myself, the Tuna Crew. That was Carter's idea. Carter, get in this fluffy snow, bud. There you go. We out here doing it. It is a full-on blizzard. We went and got some dinner, and probably another 1.5 to 2 inches fell while we were eating dinner. So yeah, good times, fun stuff. We out here. Kids are doing amazing. They're having fun playing in the snow. Car back, bud.
What's up, crew?
Is it the
Tuna
Tuna
here.
Crew?
Yeah,
All right, how we doing?
good.
Having fun? Watch where you're going.
I am, dude.
All right.
Tuna crew.
No.
No, Kyle. Great. Don't get antsy.
It's slow and steady.
Slow and steady.
Easy
loses
pedals.
the race.
Easy pedals.
But Daddy,
What?
slow and steady loses the race.
No one's. There's no race.
I never heard slow and steady loses the race.
It's just so fun. Other than the plow truck coming by and blast us in the backs with snow and slush, but good times. Playing in the snow. So we came up with the name for the Tuna Crew now. Oh, here comes Kyle plowing through. You got the snowplow bike? Dude, your gloves reflect. That's so cool. Your gloves reflect.
What do you say?
Your gloves are shiny.
My gloves are shining?
Yeah.
I know.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
In your hand?
Yeah.
Or can you get it?
See?
Yeah. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help. All right. Easy pedals, but don't try to pedal hard, okay?
That little guy was about to go on my bike and blew me down.
I got you. Get on your pedals. I got your bike.
I'm trying to go on first.
Yeah. I got your bike. Look, get on your pedals. Get on your saddle. There you go. I got you. Straighten your bars. Go.
No.
I got you. I'm not gonna let you go, okay?
Okay.
Start pedaling. There you go. Easy, slow.